Hey, what's up guys? Alan here with Sonic Electronics, and today we're going to be looking at the all-new NVX FRING65 foam speaker rings. Are you looking to get better sound quality and performance out of your speakers? Well, I think NVX has come up with a perfect solution. It's simple and easy to install. When installing aftermarket car audio speakers, the one thing that you lose is that you lose that nice seal that the factory had on the speaker that sealed to the door panel. So therefore, you lose a lot of performance if you don't have something like the NVX FRING65 kit. Now, of course, it's made out of premium acoustic memory foam, which is really nice, and it installs quite simply, to be honest with you. So it includes 2 rings and 2 pads. So all you got to do to really reap the benefits of this particular kit is a really simple peel and stick installation method. So before you install your speakers, or if you're actually going back into your system to do some more upgrading and you want to try to get a little bit more out of it, all you got to do is remove the speaker, and while the speaker is out, all you do is take these base pads here and you peel and stick them onto the inner skin of the door. Now what this is going to do is actually going to absorb some of the back wave that could reflect back onto the speaker, causing front and back wave cancellation. So we don't want that. So that's really going to help. So it's just simple, clean the surface, peel, stick, you're really done. After you're done with that, then you actually want to install the speakers. Now, of course, we recommend using the appropriate adapters while doing that and getting the speaker as close to the door panel as possible. Of course, the rings that come with them are about 1.5 inches thick or so. They're pretty thick already. You shouldn't really have any problem with this. So once the speaker is actually mounted in the vehicle, all you do is you just peel and you stick this onto the actual speaker. Then once you go to install your door panel will push up against this foam gasket, creating a nice tight seal. So now with your aftermarket speakers, instead of there being a big gap and that sound being trapped in the door panel, it's actually sealed like the factory speakers were, and the actual sound is coming through the grill instead of getting lost or trapped into the door panel. Once again, guys, for more information on the NVX FRING65 foam speaker ring kit, make sure you visit sonicelectronics.com or check out the links below. Now, of course, if you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Once again, Alan with Sonic Electronics. I'll see you next time.